Hello everybody, and welcome to this little side thing. So, in the artist kit that I got, it came with this relay, which is a 5-pin relay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The problem is that it actually calls for a different relay that's actually a 6-pin. And when you try to put this relay on the breadboard, 4 of the pins line up, but if we take a look, this 5th pin right here, let's see if we can make this, there we go. As you can see, it is in between all the pins. Now I have seen a source where they say just take this pin and then just tweak it, and it's like, no. No, I want something that'll work a lot better. So I'm going to show you how to basically add a 5-pin header to the relay, so then it just plugs right into the board. Well, there we go. Nice, simple, easy. And I also put some stuff on this so then, it can, go against some stuff and not short out. So let's get started. So the first thing that I got is a little cheat sheet and all the different color wire that I have. I just assigned one color to each pin. So whenever I'm doing anything with the relay, I'll know what wire goes to which pin. So let's see, we got 22 gauge wire, so 26, 22 right here. And I just want to take off just a tiny little bit of the end. Not a whole lot, just a tiny bit. And I'm going to do this with all the other colors that I have, which of course is green, white, yellow, and black. And after I've removed that little bit, I'm going to put it in the resin flux, so then the solder will stick to it. And I'm actually going to use, because I don't have any of those grabber assemblies, I'm going to stack 2 of the spools together so it's sitting like that. Move the tools out of the way that I don't need. And now I'm just going to start tinning up the ends of all the wires. And just like that. So next we're going to use the solder, and I'm going to do a little bit of tinning on each of these. And I'm also going to put some flux on them. Okay, a little bit of flux on each one. Got the solder. I just gotta do a little tinning. There we go. That looks pretty decent. So we're going to shorten these up because we don't want them very long. Okay, and now we're just going to start soldering the wires. There we go. Oop. Go spiky. Come on, get rid of the spike. Okay. So that is on there good. Now, time to do the rest of the wires based on what I got here. Okay, the wires are all soldered up. So I just got to pick a length that I want and give it a snip. So we got the wires all set. They're all cut to a length. Now just gotta work the wires a bit to straighten them out as much as you possibly can. Then we can start super gluing. Now I'm going to use a little bit of super glue. Make sure these wires are nice and tight together. And just run a bead of super glue right across them. And just let it dry a bit. Now it's time to assemble the plug. So we need to strip back the wires just a little bit so they fit in here. And then once all that's done, we can then insert them into the appropriate holes and we're done. Except for putting the extra foam around here. Okay. And it's good. So time to start doing the rest the same way. pins on. Let's start getting them all inserted into the holder. Then a little tug. Oh boy. This is pretty tight. Come on. There we go. Alrighty. Now we're going to start cutting out some chunks of foam to cover up all the contacts. Go. And ta-da! Well, didn't finish it up before the light died, but whatever. We got it done. If you found this video helpful or like what you've seen, please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification to be notified when new videos come out. Until next time, good luck, have fun, and stay curious.